Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a common problem that many users face when trying to connect their printer to their computer. The issue at hand is the printer not responding when a print job is sent to it. This problem can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're in a hurry to print out an important document. Now, let's talk about the solution. The key to resolving this problem is to first check the connection between your computer and the printer. Ensure that all cables are securely plugged in and that the printer is turned on. Once you've confirmed that the physical connections are sound, you can move on to checking the printer status on your computer. Make sure that the printer is set as the default option and that there are no print jobs stuck in the queue. The solution to this common problem is often simpler than it seems. By following these troubleshooting steps, you can usually get your printer back up and running in no time. Remember, patience is key when dealing with technology hiccups. A little persistence can go a long way in resolving these issues. In summary, encountering a printer that doesn't respond can be a frustrating roadblock, but with a bit of troubleshooting, you can usually get it sorted out quickly. So, don't let a stubborn printer get you down. Tackle the problem head on, and you'll be back to printing in no time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite printer pun. Thanks for watching and happy printing.